everybody, welcome to August's giveaway. My name's Linda and welcome to my crochet nook. Today I have August's giveaway, and for August's giveaway we have got everything will come in this lovely little organza bag. You've got a fruity sticky note, you have got a little notions bag with some crochet hooks and a pen and a couple of my handmade stitch markers. So you've got a seashell and you have got a gem. So that's in the notions bag. And then you have got Deramore Studio Anti-Pilling DK 50 grams in cream. Oh, it says pearl, the colour's pearl. And there are 136 yards. Then you've got Bello Cocoa Confection DK, and the colour is lemon, and there are 110 meters, which I think is about it's a 50 gram ball. I'm not sure what the yardage is, so I think it's about 125. And then you've got this as well, and the colour is, what's the colour? Candy Floss. So you've got 3 of those. So to enter you must be 18 or over. You're responsible for your if there's any customs duty at your end. I will pay postage to you, but if there's any duty for your parcel, that's your responsibility. It is opened worldwide. You must make sure that I can see if you're subscribed to my channel, because unfortunately last month a couple of the winners who I picked on the random org didn't win because I couldn't see whether they were subscribed to my channel, which is really unfortunate. I will put a paragraph in the description box below telling you, explaining to you how to let me see your if you're subscribed to me. What else is there? I am responsible for this giveaway. I've paid for it. Myself and my husband have paid for this giveaway. YouTube is no way, shape or form responsible for this giveaway. As with all my giveaways, my husband and I are responsible for them. What else do I need to tell you? Oh, might be a good idea to tell you when it closes. It will close on Saturday the 28th of August at 12 midnight, which is British summertime, UK British summertime, so that's midnight. So I think it's about 8 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, so it finishes on the Saturday, and then the winner will be announced then on the first Tuesday in September, which will be the 7th. What I'll do is the winner will be announced on the 31st of August, because the first Tuesday is the 7th, and that is when we will have the new giveaway in September. So yes, so the let me just reiterate that. So the giveaway will finish on the Saturday, which is the 28th, and the winner will be announced on the Tuesday the 31st of August. So good luck everybody, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. The word that you're going to have to put on the in your comment to win it will be lemon, Lemon, lemon. So good luck. Bye for now.